Okay students, in the previous video we discussed about digestive tract and its parts. Then we are entering into the details of digestive tract. We are starting with mouth. So what are the parts, what are the regions are very important for the digestive system, we will see in this video. So first and foremost, alimentary canal, digestive tract or gut, starts with the mouth region. Mouth is nothing but anterior opening. So anterior opening is covered with two lips. Lips are also called as labia. So anterior opening covered with the two lips. Those are upper lip and lower lip. In between these there is a small opening. So that opening is called as vestibule. So here the starting point of alimentary canal is a mouth, also called anterior opening. So two lips are there. So mouth is covered by two lips. So upper lip and lower lip. There is a space between two lips, that is called as vestibule. Lips are also called as labia. Mouth opens into the next region, buccal cavity, or also called as oral cavity. So buccal cavity. So ఈ పార్ట్ ఎలా ఉంటుందో చూద్దాం చూడండి. Buccal cavity, or also called oral cavity. So mouth opens into this region. So buccal cavity region, So in the buccal cavity there are some parts very important for the digestive system. One is palate region. Then second one very important for grinding, those are teeth and also tongue. So these are main important parts that are covered in the buccal cavity: palate, teeth, tongue regions. So first we cover this palate region. Suppose it is our mouth region. So nasal chamber, these are two lips. Then this region is buccal cavity. So here we will see nasal chamber, this part region. So these are external nostrils and this region is called as nasal chamber, where external nostrils are open into the nasal chamber. Then below the nasal chamber there is a floor of the buccal cavity. This region is called floor of the buccal cavity. So in the floor of the buccal cavity, here we can see there are tongue region and also teeth. So there are two chambers. So one is nasal chamber, another one is oral cavity, also called buccal cavity. They are opened at the region that is a pharynx region. So here we can see palate has two parts. So there are anterior part which is bony in nature. So it is hard palate. So bony ante hard and koncham strong untundi. So hard palate. So posterior palate is cartilaginous. So it is a smooth palate. So one is hard palate, other one is smooth palate. So palate is divided in two regions. Suppose this region, buccal cavity anterior part, is the floor of the buccal cavity covered with the hard palate. It is bony in nature. So there is no smooth muscle, smooth nature. So bony in nature, that is hard palate. So this region where I am drawing right, so this region covered with the smooth palate. So this is made up of the cartilage, smooth palate region, smooth palate and hard palate. So at the end of smooth palate there is an extension of smooth muscle, form a structure that is called as uvula. So this region, extension of a smooth palate, uvula. Hard palate consists of some ridges on this one. So there are some ridges in hard palate. Those ridges are called palatine rug. Palatine ruge అని ఉంటుంది స్పెల్లింగ్, బట్ మనం ఎలా ప్రొనౌన్స్ చేస్తామంటే palatine rug. So this is all about palate. So initially some people are thinking there is a taste buds and palate, but there are no taste buds. They are spread on the tongue region. So this is tongue. So tongue region has taste buds, not in the palate, but in few taste buds are present in the palate region also. So here we'll see three parts. So one is palatine rugae. So hard palate consists of palatine rugae. So posterior part is called as smooth palate. Smooth palate extended as the uvula region. So this is all about a palate. Palate is nothing but there is a anterior, so that nasal chamber, buccal cavity floor or roof, buccal cavity roof is called as palate. So palate is divided into two parts, hard palate and smooth palate. Hard palate made up of bony, and posterior palate is cartilaginous, that is called smooth palate. So smooth palate extended as the uvula part. So this is all about a palate. This region is uppermost region is nasal chamber. సో ఆ పార్ట్ వరకు మనం ఏమంటామంటే నేసల్ ఛాంబర్. సో ఎప్పుడైనా సరే మనకి సంబంధించి అడుగుతున్నటువంటి రీజన్స్ ఏమంటే, సో ప్యాలెట్ డిమార్కేషన్స్ ఇన్ ద రీజన్ 2 రీజన్స్గా ఉంటుంది. ఒకటి వచ్చేసి మనకి హార్డ్ ప్యాలెట్. సో ఈ ప్యాలెట్లో కొన్ని రిడ్జెస్ ఉంటాయి, ఆ రిడ్జెస్ మనం ఏమంటామంటే ప్యాలెటైన్ రుగే అంటాం. స్మూత్ ప్యాలెట్ ఏంటంటే కావాల్సినటువంటి స్మూత్నెస్ కొంచెం ఎక్స్టెండ్ అయ్యి యుగులా పార్ట్ అనేదాన్ని క్రియేట్ చేస్తాయి. సో ఈ రీజన్ వరకు మనం ఏమంటామంటే బక్కల్ క్యావిటీ.